And live.
Hey everybody, it's MK. We are coming to you live, and I'm just gonna do a quick audio check. I'm sure it's fine.
Because it's on my phone.
I'm sure it's fine. Okay, we have red circle.
Good.
Oh my goodness. Let me make sure my volume is turned up. Oh, yep, it is.
Good. Right, find us.
Is anybody there? Oh my goodness. There.
It's MK.
Okay.
We are
Perfect.
coming to you.
Okay, now I'll turn the volume down. Hello. So Ellen, do you know I got a notification on Facebook today that we've been friends for 10 years?
What? Oh my goodness. I mean, it makes sense because I've been here for like 9.
Yeah. Wow. There was some photos came up like when we did our billboard down there on the 19, and we did a live event when we were still only in here, and we set up our table always in front of the wall over there. One of those pictures came up.
Wow, yeah.
So a lot has changed since those days. So we are here to tell you about some new stuff we have going on. So Ellen, what in the world happened over here?
It's like a really pretty wall now. Look at this wall.
We kind of had thought that we would maybe move some shelving here, but there's a door to a bathroom right there, and we just thought, well, we can't block that.
And we already had the grids.
Yeah, so Ellen had the idea of making it our bag making wall.
Yes, and it's been working because people are already buying things. So
And I know there's several classes scheduled with Zelda and Pat, right?
Yes. This one is on Saturday for a real fun, easy little thing. All supplies here, so you could still join us. And then these are in August. And cool side note, right? This one class is first. And this project fits inside of this bag. So you could like make this, one weekend to put it inside your future tote.
Yes. And hold the thought about the little bowl. Okay, hold that thought.
Yes.
So-
and we have webbing. Look, we have webbing now. We have stuff.
Here, let me scan over a little bit for you, Ellen.
And then if you turn slightly to the side, we have displays. And then we've got canvas. Right? And then behind her is all of our hardware. So it's
That was a good use of that
yes.
that thing that we had. All right, well, good job on that, Ellen. So come and get some bag stuff with us. Come take a class. Our classes for the bags are pretty much in person only right now, but we're still working on more classes that are like both online and in person.
Oh, we'll need my quilt.
Oh, yep, Ellen, we have show and tell. We definitely have show and tell. So we were on a staff retreat a couple of weekends ago. You probably were following along, and we were all very productive on retreat.
Yes.
So everybody got lots of stuff accomplished. Now, the one thing that I'm holding right now is a cute as can be little table runner that Zelda worked on. I don't think she has it here yet, but super easy, super cute. We ordered in the pattern.
Yep.
I worked on this from the Home Piece by Piece book that Ellen and I got when we were at Motivation. This is a fantastic book that we are going to start doing classes out of. I absolutely fell in love with this quilt. Like the whole making of the whole process of it, like I could make this quilt again and again and again. I just absolutely love it. So, Ellen, what did you work on?
So she worked on Uptown Girl.
Yep, this is called Uptown Girl.
And I did the burbs. So my binding has to be finished. But she's all cute.
Oh
my
my gosh, look at that. And Ellen, I'm assuming this is one of your quilting designs?
It is coming soon to Digital Threads.
awesome.
The clamshell with hearts.
I love hearts. Oh my gosh, so cute.
So I did the first half last night, and the more I was playing with this quilt, I really like it. So I'm gonna hand bind it. It deserves some hand binding.
Yeah.
But yes, I was kind of talking. So that book, Home, we're gonna be doing multiple classes from this book.
So I am going to be teaching this, the Uptown Girl, and I'm going to be teaching it in 3 sessions. just kind of as I worked through it, I just thought I wanted to break it down for you and not just cram everything into one class where you're going to go home and then you're going to be not finished and you're going to be confused. And I have tips for you. So we're going to do 3 sessions. What are my dates, Ellen?
All right, so Uptown Girl is in September. The first one is September 17th. These are all Thursdays. So September 17th, then the 24th, and then October 8th. So hers are all spread out. So as we kind of mentioned, we're going to do this online.
Yes.
And in person.
Yes. So I hope you blocked out those dates too, because I'm going to need tech help, most likely.
Yes. So with Melissa's, with Uptown, the first session is just virtual, no matter if you're in person or not. It can be just virtual, and then the other 2 is when you would actually come into the shop. So that way, we were trying to make it that you didn't have to come in so often.
Yep. So, I mean, there's quite a bit of cutting, I'm not going to lie, but the cutting, I use Stripology. We're going to go through all of that. I'm going to show you how to get organized. I'm going to show you really my best tips for all this randomization to make it all scrappy and everything. So definitely going to want to take the class with me before you dive right in, because I got some tips for you.
Yep.
And
right,
okay,
so
yours, Ellen.
For mine, the Burbs, the cover girl of the quilt, mine is next month. Mine is Friday, August 21st. And with this was actually the first session that we had at Motivation. This was on our travel day when we were really tired from flying and everything.
Tired.
And they're like, you're now making houses at 7 o'clock at night. I was like, oh. Okay.
So the kind or the model in the book is on black background, and I brought my kit home, and I was going to sell it online to one of you. Well, Pam wanted it.
Yep. So that's
Pam, one of my employees, she wanted the kit because I was like, yeah, I think they're super cute, but let's let Ellen tackle that one.
So the Burbs has a template set, which I highly encourage you to get, and that's really for these roof pieces. The pattern has them all laid out. If you were to use like template plastic or something, you could, but I highly suggest the template set. Makes life so much easier. And in class, we're going to focus on 2 houses, because you can see some of them are actually reversed. So we're going to work on 2 houses in class that way, because same as hers, there's a lot of cutting, and there's cutting we're going to do in class because it's tricky.
But with guidance of Ellen, it will not be tricky.
Yes.
You can get it.
So we're calling Melissa's beginner because it's lots of cutting organization, but it's beginner, right?
Yes.
Mine is intermediate. Sorry, but look at all those angles. Okay? There's a lot of angles and bias happening here. It's awesome, and I'm going to do my step outs and my samples in Halloween fabrics, so that way I've got like little Halloween houses like go trick-or-treating. It's going to be so cute.
Oh my God.
This is not a beginner quilt.
You're not going to do as many houses, are you?
No. No. But I do love them. They were really fun to make, but
well, I think I'm going to do my step outs in a bundle that I got at Motivation, because surprisingly enough, the first night when we were both working on the houses, I raised my hand and said, I'm done with my house. And I was like the first person in the room of 120 something people. So they gave me a little bundle. So I'm going to make this quilt again, and you're going to see it's going to be much more traditional, much more in my colors. But I love this. I love this a lot.
Fun and bright.
This is mostly the line called Scenery from Elizabeth Hartman, and then the Starry on the black, that's Ruby Star. Oh my gosh.
All right,
so
flip
perfect.
in the book to Scriptorium.
Okay.
So our 3rd class is going to be in November, and Becky is going to be teaching this one. Everybody's kind of taking turns, and she is doing a Scriptorium, which just really looks like her. It's really her kind of piecing.
She was cutting out fabric the other day. She's doing it in Christmas fabrics, all scrappy. She brought in some of her stash. She got some stash from here. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be beautiful.
So that one's in November, and then the next 2 we don't have dates for yet, but Dovetail.
Dovetail. Who's doing Dovetail? Is that Zelda's?
Zelda is doing Dovetail.
Dovetail's page 12.
And Zelda picked some really nice blues and greens. We kind of helped finalize those colors.
Oh, that's nice.
So Dovetail will be coming soon. And then Carol just picked She Shed.
Oh, I liked She Shed too. Hold please.
So Dovetail and She Shed probably won't be till the new year, depending on how stuff falls.
Oh my gosh, this one is so pretty.
Our goal with this book is we want to do more than one project out of it, right? We want to have this book really go to use so that way you can choose which one you really like. But it's the idea you're doing more than one thing. And then again, the beauty of this book is every single quilt uses 12 fat quarters.
And honestly, look at how big my quilt is. And
Look
that
how
was,
big mine is.
I know, 12 fat quarters. Of course, there's some background or accent or, little something added in, but it's pretty big for a fat quarter bundle.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah. So we're really happy with the book. We know you will be too. So we're encouraging you for all of these classes and projects. And again, the home classes will all be in person and online.
Now, here's the thing. We would love for you to buy everything from us, but you may have gotten this some other place. I'm sure other people have been advertising. But to take our classes, you need to have the book one way or the other.
Yep.
Okay? So we will have Zoom registration links to offer you. If you did not get the book from us, but you have the book, you're going to have to show us a picture, proof that you have the book. Or you got to buy the book to get into the class. Okay? So everybody must have the patterns for the classes.
And then again, these are all class registrations. So you have a class registration, you have a book, but you only have to buy the book once.
Oh my gosh, I can see this being an absolute staple in your studio. These quilts are really awesome. All right.
And then for those that are local, look, I'm holding a class schedule. We haven't had one for a couple months.
Yeah, it's kind of slow in the summer for classes, but
we've
we're
got stuff planned.
ramping back up. So Ellen and I also had a planning day. So Jelly Roll Day is already booked and ready to go. So that is also going to be via Zoom and in person. Yep. So that's ready to go. We even have everything now, thanks to Ellen, picked for our kits for the mystery quilt, which is in obviously Black Friday.
We're going to talk about that more next week.
Yeah, but we planned that. We've got a show in there this fall too. Oh my gosh, it's getting busy. I'm getting crazy in my head. And then the bow class is coming as well. So Zelda made, let me grab that bag again with the little bow on it. So Zelda worked up the little one and the medium one. So look at this cute little one that she did, and it matches this bag perfectly.
Darling. So our class in September 3rd is going to be for the large bow. The large. These are not large. The large. Can we hear that word? Large. Large bow. Later in the year, Zelda's going to teach the tiny one.
So we both kind of have started on our bow. We both got a kit while we were at Motivation. We both wanted to do it, but we didn't want to work on it there. So mine is very much in my colors, very traditional. I forget what colors was yours.
One is Elizabeth Hartman's, but it's next year's collection, so it's a little softer than this. And then my second one, because it's me, I'm always doing more than I should, is Freaky from Ruby Star's Halloween collection.
Fun. But these bows have been all the rage all over Instagram and YouTube, and at Motivation everybody was working on them. So popular that we have to wait for patterns, which is why we're doing it a little bit later.
Yes. So in that essence, right, the pattern is online for you to pre-order. I highly suggest you pre-order it with us now, because again, they will sell out.
And you will need the pattern to be in the class.
Yes. Okay. So if you pre-order the bow pattern now, you'll have it for class and it'll be guaranteed.
And I'm kind of glad we didn't work on it at Motivation, because we have some tips for you for the construction and all of that. And of course, Zelda, having worked through it now, she'll have tips for us too, I'm sure.
So we don't have a date yet for the littles, but the big is September 3rd.
So pre-order your pattern, okay?
Yep.
All right. Beyond that, I meant to have out my preparatory email for my class that's coming up in the Villages in a couple of weeks. I meant to have that out by last night. Hasn't happened yet. I'm trying to get a big quilt done here in the shop, and Paul and I are going on an install with a new owner tomorrow, so that's so exciting. But watch your inbox if you're registered to come out and learn with me in the Villages in August. I still have room for maybe one or two more. It's kind of a small house and studio that we're going to be in, but we can can squish in there, and I got room for 1 or 2 more. So if you're hearing this and you didn't know, I'm going to be in the Villages here in Florida at a private residence with a small group, and we're going to be learning Pro Stitcher the MK way, which means simulation. You got it. Okay, is that about it?
I think that's it for now. There's lots happening here. So go to our shop site. So if you go to shop.mkquilts.com, there's a class button, and you can click that and you can see all of the options. Then you're going to search for the quilted patchwork quilted bow, and then you're going to reserve that pattern.
Okay. Awesome.
And sign up for everything else and buy fat quarter bundles and just have a lovely time shopping.
And soon we'll talk about the mystery, but you'll be able to sign up for that also ahead of time. That's sold out every year that we've done it. We only have limited space, so you're going to want to watch and listen for that, right? Okay, that's all we got. Oh, well, wait.
What?
The sew along with the Ticket to Quilt is going on right now.
Oh, yes, it's this week.
Yeah, so I posted about it yesterday. We are not running that sew along. We were just invited to participate, which was great. We sold the patterns. We made up a sample. If you got the pattern from us or whatever, go scroll back on the page here to yesterday, and I posted the link to the lady who's hosting it and doing the sew along and all the instructions and all of that, okay? All right, that's definitely
That's it now?
That's it. Okay, from the shop today to you. Happy quilting, everybody.
Bye, guys.
Bye.